What if you could create a photorealistic AI influencer in minutes completely free? We're breaking down the exact tools and prompts to generate stunning virtual personas that look 100% human. AI influencers eliminate production costs, scheduling conflicts, and licensing fees. They work 24/7, never age, and adapt to any aesthetic. Brands are investing millions into virtual personalities. Now you can create one yourself, no expensive software required. This is the future of content creation, and it's accessible today. Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion are your powerhouses. For motion, use Picolabs or HeyGen. We tested each for influencer quality results. Midjourney wins for photorealism and consistency. HeyGen adds talking animations instantly. The free tier gives you enough credits to create a complete character. Stack these tools strategically for maximum impact. Start specific, woman 25, mixed ethnicity, soft lighting, studio photography, professional headshot, 8K resolution. Then add style, cinematic, editorial fashion, warm color grade. Finally, specify platform, Instagram aesthetic, trending 2024 style. Use negative prompts to avoid AI artifacts. Test variations. Save your best prompt templates for consistent character development across all content pieces. Create 10 to 15 character variations across different settings and outfits. Use HeyGen to animate them with voiceovers. Post across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Track engagement metrics ruthlessly. Your AI influencer costs nothing to make. Drop a comment. Which AI influencer concept would you create? Hit subscribe for weekly guides on AI art monetization and prompt engineering.